Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 27a, words with sukoon. Remember the three sets? The thick one, and the thick and high, and very thick and high. When you have sukoon on them, for example, ar. So, a is thin, ra is thick. So, can you repeat after me? Ar. Ar. Don't say or ar. So, thin and thick have to be distinguished. Similarly, repeat after me. Aq. 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 Akh. Akh. As. As. So, a is thin and sa is thick. Ad. Ad. At. At. Av. Av. And so on. This is just to tell you to remember the differences in their attributes or sifat. Let's take examples now. The examples here are too many because these occur a lot of times in the Quran and they are very simple. Repeat after me. Bal, bal, hal, hal, lam, lam, an, lan, man, min, in, id, qul, hum, la'in, lahum, lakum, minhu, minhum, minha, tilka, ja'alna, ba'di, yahdi, ya'lamu, ya'lamuna, ta'lamuna, ya'maluna, ta'maluna. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.